इंडिया में बहुत सारे बड़े बड़े डिजाइनर्स हैं, गौरव गुप्ता है, मनीष मल्होत्रा है, सब्यसाची मुखर्जी हैं। ये अलग अलग डिजाइनर्स की क्या चॉइसेस हैं स्पेसिफिकली, ताकि आप चूज करके उनके शो में जा सको। What kind of models did you like?
So for him, that's very, very important that the model is tall, the model has a straighter posture, be it girl or boy.
बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स है सभी मॉडल्स के लिए कि कई बार क्या होता है, इंडिया में बहुत सारे बड़े बड़े डिजाइनर्स हैं, गौरव गुप्ता है, मनीष मल्होत्रा है, सब्यसाची मुखर्जी हैं, रोहित बाल, वरुण बहल, जे वलाया, टीटी, तरुण तैलानी। सो सबके कोई ना कोई अलग क्राइटेरिया रहते हैं मॉडल्स को चूज करने के लिए। किसी को किस तरह के मॉडल्स पसंद आते हैं, कुछ डिजाइनर्स को कुछ अलग तरह के मॉडल्स पसंद आते हैं। तो कई बार ऑडिशन में लोग जाते हैं और अगर किसी पर्टिकुलर डिजाइनर ने आपको नहीं लिया शो या शूट के लिए, तो डिसहार्टन होने की जरूरत नहीं। तो आज हम वो जानना चाहेंगे कि अलग अलग डिजाइनर्स की क्या चॉइसेस हैं स्पेसिफिकली, ताकि आप चूज करके उनके शो में जा सको। जैसे अगर आप तरुण तैलानी के क्राइटेरिया में फिट बैठते हैं, सो यू कैन चूज टू बी इन फ्रंट ऑफ हिम समहाउ।
You're right. Every designer.
टीटी की व्हाट काइंड ऑफ मॉडल्स टीटी लाइक?
TT does beautiful clothes and he loves what he makes. His biggest criteria is the model strong enough to show my garment well, Pooja? And that's how he'll talk, you know. And so for him, that's very, very important that the model is tall, the model has a straighter posture, be it girl or boy. Now, TT does a lot of sherwani. So for him, the look has to be for boys, nice strong shoulders, people who can carry sherwanis. People have the poise for that. Girls also have to have nice strong shoulders because he does a lot of drapey garments. Everything rests on the shoulder. So straight, strong, tall models is what he likes.
Fair, dusky.
Loves them both. He doesn't care.
Gaurav Gupta.
Gaurav Gupta does very crafted garment. Also, he's a younger, trendier designer. So for boys, he wants the younger boys, as young as they can be, fresher boys. He's not keen on taking the very big established boys. He likes to bring in a newness. He likes to show this is a GG boy. Now the boy is associated with my brand. He likes that. And he manages to find that. So they will search on Insta, the whole team, and find people like that. The girls have to have, again, great poise. Their garments are heavy and very, very crafted. So not everyone can wear the garments. Can be new models, but people who can carry garments well.
सब्यसाची मुखर्जी.
Sabya doesn't do ramp so much.
पहले करते थे,
हाँ, जब करते थे, Sabya was...
shows.
Yeah, he does only shoots now. He hasn't been doing ramp. The only ramp he did recently was with all the models he's worked before. So he is not looking for newer models. He's on a different tangent. And for him, it is more about shoots. And in the shoots, what's become a trend now is if you've done a Sabya shoot, you get a lot more work.
True.
He's reached a level where his brand means a lot. A lot of times you will say, oh, you know what? Let's take this one. She was in Sabya shoot. He was in Sabya shoot. So he's become a brand and he has gotten a lot of new people. He's gotten in a lot of inclusivity. He's the one who started with the bigger models.
Varun Bahel.
Varun Behel does nice clothes. He needs a mix of seasoned and of course the newer boys. Varun is a very social person. So I think even when he is socially meeting people, he is networking. He's keeping his eyes open. He's searching. So he may pick models from there too.
Shivan Naresh.
Shivan and Naresh is all about great bodies because they do a lot of swimwear. So they obviously need toned great bodies. They like their models thin. So international trend right now for boys and for girls is very thin.
Very thin.
So they like the models like that. And they don't have to be names.
Any color preference? Dusky, dark, both?
No preference. I don't think they have so much of a height criteria also because it's swimwear. And they'll only throw on a sarong or they'll throw on, you know. So for them, height doesn't even matter. The person has to be cool and comfortable because you're wearing so little and yet looking glamorous.
JJ Walaya.
JJ Walaya does beautiful couture clothes. His girls have to be very beautiful. They don't have to be too flat-chested or thin. They should be good. He likes an Indian body. You know, a nice curvy Indian body is what he prefers more. Even in men, he likes them broad. He does only sherwanis. And he loves to throw on turban. So even when we suggest models, he also has to visualize in his head, will a turban, not everybody can carry a turban. So for him, you have, for men, there have to be strong shoulders and a nice face. He likes bearded guys. Like Tarun Tayari doesn't like bearded guys. He likes his boys clean shaven. Whereas JJ likes bearded guys. So everybody changes.
Rohit Gandhi, Rahul Khanna.
Just the way they are. As funky and as crazy as the girl is, they love them more. You know, that's how they are.
Yeah.
Their clothes are so cool.
Right.
You need to have that funky energy to carry them off. I mean, you go for a fitting, there's Rahul has so much energy. The designer has so much energy that you also want to do that. So he will pick very, very fun but great bodies.
Rohit Bal.
Oh my God, my most favorite.
Yeah.
Rohit Bal always wanted very, very tall models because his garments would be long and flowy, and he would want his models to this is girls, he would want his models to always do a lot of twirls and turns to show all the amount of volume in his garments. So his models were always very, very tall. He was always very picky on the look. He always wanted very pretty girls. Also, he hasn't done a show in a while, so I don't know how open he is to inclusivity. There was no inclusivity at that time. So they were all very pretty and tall girls. And boys, all the boys were Rohit Bal's friends, who are also actually models. It's not that they're just friends. They're all models. They all walk the ramp. But they're all Rohit Bal's boys. You know? They party together, they work together.
Rahul Mishra.
Rahul Mishra does fabulous clothes. So soft and lovely. I love Rahul Mishra and Divya anyway. I love their whole team also. I think their clothes are as soft and lovely as they themselves are. Everything about them is very soft and lovely. They just want to, they're very particular actually, they change a lot. Sometimes they want models, like last Couture Week, it was only about very young people because their collection was like that.
Yeah.
Whereas this time, when I was speaking to the team, I haven't seen the collection, but they didn't want only trendy younger people. They wanted, I think they're doing a more Indian collection. We'll see it when it comes. But they wanted female models who can carry Indian clothes. They wanted male models who can carry Indian clothes. They didn't want only the international trendy look. So I guess they change with the tide. They move according to their collection. They're not fixated, which is nice.
We'll end up this video.
Yeah.
I hope you like this content. And at the same time, if you guys have any doubts, questions, drop a mail or drop a comment or ask anytime. Feel free. See you. Goodbye for the next episode.
Bye-bye.
you.